Hello Aquarius, this is your bi-weekly reading for the last 15 days of May. So let's check out with your energy. First of all, we have a 4 of cups. So this card representing that one person is not taking the cup of another person. One person is like offering the love, but another person is too much focused upon the another things. So let me shuffle again. For my beautiful Aquarius, your love energy for the last 15 days of May for your partner. So let's see. Ace of Swords. You want a new beginning that is based on a clear cut communication on truth. You want truthful new beginning with your partner, right? You want to clear something, you want a communication, you want to start something new. So let's see your partner's love energy towards you for the last 15 days of May. The last 15 days, their love energy towards you. Ten of Swords. You want the truth. They are feeling pain. They are in a deep pain. This is like a too much pain that your partner is going through. They are feeling hurt about something. And they also feeling the lose-lose situation. If you want the truth and the clear-cut communication, this person feeling like they lose everything. No gain, no loss, they feel the pain. Let's see your energy. Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune moving into your favor. Some sort of a new beginnings coming in your way. So let's check out your partner's energy. Nine of Swords and the Queen of Swords and the Ten of Swords. And you have Ace of Swords. Lot of swords, lots of thinking, communication, thoughts that is lingering into your mind, into their mind, specifically in your partner's mind, because you are so much clear that what you want, that you want a new beginning, you want to happy, right? You want the truth, but your partner is hurt. They lose everything. They having a negative thoughts. They have the sleepless nights. They are stressful. They are going through a lot of stressful nights. They are not able to sleep. They are feeling the pain. So condition of your partner is too much bad, and still your partner also direct about something. They also want each and everything straight, and they are too much focused upon something. So all about lot of thoughts that is lingering in their mind, but they also want something, they also want to clear something. Because of this anxiety that they are going through, they still want to clear something with you. So let's see your energy, Aquarius energy towards their partner for the last 50 days of May. Devil. So yes, you are also feeling the devil energy, the obsessiveness, the possessiveness, whatever. You also feeling like attached with your partner in some sort of a way, whether it's codependency, or maybe this is like your ego or pride or something, or maybe alcohol or whatever. So some sort of a toxic energy is all around you. No matter if you win the situation, still something toxic going on in your life because of this devil energy. And again, Five of Swords. This is like the bottom of the deck for both of you. This is the mutual energy. You both are not gaining anything. You both are not losing anything, right? So this is like a lose-lose situation for both of you. You both are not gaining anything. They are more stressful. Maybe you are also feeling the attachment. Still you both want to clear something, you both want a communication, and at the end you both are not gaining anything from this sort of a drama that you both are going through. Or maybe this is a ego fight simply. or if something else happen in your connection which is like affecting your relationship, you both are like, this is like unhealthy way of dealing with the situation. So let's see final outcome of your connection, final outcome of your connection for the last 15 days of May. Okay, so let me take three cards. Moon card, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Moon cards representing a lot of secrets, hidden things, hidden emotions. So you both are like hiding something or simply your emotions from each other. Page of Pentacle representing you both want to offer each other something, but that is just a starting level. And you both, after doing all this drama, you both are like a single. You both entering into a single individuality. When you both are like, I handle each and everything alone. I don't need anyone. So that kind of a single energy, maybe you or your partner are in after all this drama. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.